Does budgeting feel overwhelming or restrictive? Don't worry, you can still achieve financial freedom without a strict budget. In today's video, I'm going to break down some practical and, dare I say, easy tips on how to manage your finances effectively without living by a budget. Alright, let's talk about the golden rule of personal finance, paying yourself first. Before you even think about spending a single dime on anything else, set aside money for your savings and investments. By prioritizing your savings goals right off the bat, you ensure that you're always putting money aside, no matter how many lattes or avocado toast try to tempt you throughout the month. Think of it this way. If you wait until the end of the month to save whatever's left over, chances are there won't be much there. And the best part? You can automate the entire process. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account or retirement fund. Trust me, future you will thank you for it. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Living without a strict budget doesn't mean you have to live like a monk and deprive yourself of all the fun stuff. It's about understanding your spending priorities and aligning your spending with what truly matters to you. So, what brings you joy? Identify those core values and be intentional about spending your hard-earned money on those experiences. By consciously choosing to spend on what matters most to you, you'll naturally find yourself cutting back on the non-essentials without feeling restricted by a rigid budget. Okay, I know some of you might be thinking, Graham, this all sounds great, but I still need some kind of framework. And you're right. Enter the 50-30-20 rule. Think of this as your financial GPS, guiding you towards financial stability without the constraints of a detailed budget. Here's how it works. Allocate 50% of your after-tax income to your needs. This includes essentials like rent or mortgage payments, groceries, utilities, transportation, and those pesky bills that seem to pile up. Next, dedicate 30% of your income to your wants, things that bring you joy and enhance your life, like dining out, entertainment, hobbies, and that new camera lens you've been eyeing. Finally, the most important part, allocate 20% of your income to savings and debt repayment. The beauty of this guideline is that it's flexible. You can adjust these percentages to fit your unique lifestyle and financial goals. Chapter 4. Track your spending. Knowledge is power. Now, even though we're ditching the traditional budget, it's still crucial to have a general idea of where your money is going. Think of it like this. You wouldn't drive your Tesla with your eyes closed, right? You need to see where you're going to navigate effectively. Without a budget, your bank statements become your financial compass. Take some time each month, maybe grab your favorite coffee, and review your transactions. This helps you identify any areas where you might be overspending or uncover any sneaky subscription fees you forgot about. Use apps like Mint, Personal Capital, or even your bank's built-in expense tracker. These tools provide a visual overview of your spending patterns, making it easier to spot any areas where you can potentially cut back. Chapter 5. The Cash-Only Challenge Mindful Spending Activated. All right. Are you ready for a challenge that will completely transform your relationship with money? It's time to embrace the cash-only mindset. When it comes to discretionary spending, things like eating out, entertainment, or those spontaneous shopping trips, try using cash or a prepaid card. Why? Because once that cash is gone, it's gone. This creates a physical limit, forcing you to think twice before making a purchase. Plus, this technique can be incredibly effective in reducing your reliance on credit cards, which can often lead to unnecessary debt. Chapter 6. Lifestyle Inflation. Don't let it derail your dreams. Let's talk about a sneaky financial trap that can sabotage even the most well-intentioned saver's lifestyle inflation. As your income grows, it's tempting to level up your lifestyle. A nicer apartment, a fancier car, maybe even that luxury watch you've been eyeing. But here's the thing. Lifestyle inflation can quickly eat away at your savings potential and keep you stuck in the rat race, even if you're making more money. So here's the key. Resist the urge to upgrade your lifestyle every time you get a raise or a bonus. Instead, focus on maintaining your current expenses and direct that extra income towards your savings or investment goals. Remember, true wealth isn't about keeping up with the Joneses. It's about achieving financial freedom and designing a life on your own terms. Chapter 7. Emergency Fund, Your Financial Safety Net. Now let's talk about building a solid financial foundation, your emergency fund. Life is full of surprises and not all of them are pleasant. Unexpected expenses like a medical bill or car repairs can pop up at any time. The general rule of thumb is to aim for 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses in your emergency fund. Trust me, having that peace of mind knowing you can handle life's curveballs without going into debt is priceless. Chapter 8. Regularly check your financial goals. Stay focused, stay motivated. Finally, without a traditional budget dictating your every move, it's crucial to stay focused on the bigger picture, your financial goals. What are you working towards? Write them down and keep them somewhere visible, on your desk, your bathroom mirror, or even as the wallpaper on your phone. Regularly checking in on your goals serves as a powerful motivator, reminding you why you're making these financial efforts in the first place. Calculate how much closer you are to reaching your goals each month. Outgrow financial freedom without the budget stress. There you have it. Concrete strategies to manage your money effectively and achieve your financial goals without relying on a restrictive budget. Remember, living without a budget doesn't mean living without financial discipline. It's about being mindful of your spending, prioritizing what's important to you, and making conscious choices that align with your values and aspirations. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. See you in the next one.